Welcome to Mac and PC Prime Video. Today, what we have here is the AOC gaming monitor from the G2 series, and this one is the 27-inch. And this model number of this is Q27G2SD. So let's unbox this and see what we have inside. Alright, so what's in the box is this one is the HDMI cable, one DisplayPort power cable, well back of the arm, then we have the base itself very light, and then when we open this, and there we go. We have our monitor here, so we will take out the arm first. As far as I know, I have unboxed quite a few of the AOC monitors, and they are very similar. There is this hook attached to it. We just push it in like this, and then you are done. And for the base, this base just goes straight like this at the back, and very straightforward. And use it through the thing, and we are actually done with the assembly. Alright guys, so this is all set up was a very straightforward. Only two things to put it. One is the arm and the base, okay? Let's talk about this. It is very slim and very lightweight. It has the iconic AOC gaming vibe going on with the red and black color scheme with the stripes on the back. With this compact size floating on my table, I still have a lot of space to walk around with it, so it comes with the adjustable stand. This monitor have HDMI 2.2 by 2 ports, DP 2.2 by 1 port, and unfortunately, this one does not come with any USB hubs like the previous AOC monitors we have reviewed on our channel. Also, it does not come with any speakers. This monitor is the G-Sync compatible, which ensures that you enjoy the tear-free and the lag-free gaming experience at its highest. Also, this comes with the 170 Hz refresh rate. You can achieve the ultra-smooth gaming experience with the 170 Hz refresh rate means you are always ready to win instant response time of 1 millisecond. And display colors 1.07 billion gives you a very enhanced gaming experience. Fast-moving actions and dramatic transitions within the game will be rendered very smoothly for you without any annoying ghosting effects at all. Quad HD 2560 by 1440 resolution gives you an incredible amount of detail, resulting in the crisp visuals. Though you are watching movies, editing your photos, or playing games, you always end up getting the best quality out of it. This monitor comes with the AOC low input lag mode as well. This mode actually revives the monitor in favor of your response time, giving with the ultimate edge in the hair trigger. Stand off. So these monitors are the wide viewing angles, which is 178 by 178 degree, means you can literally see from any angle you like to. So for example, if you have multiple screens as well, so your viewing angle always remains quite good, and you can view it from any angle you want. HDR mode visual enhancement. Through a combination of advanced algorithms, this HDR mode essentially transforms the non-HDR content into HDR. Like visuals via 3 different modes, AOC Flicker Technologies uses the direct current backlight system to provide a more comfortable and healthier viewing experience, minimizing the effects of eye fatigue during working hours. If you are working long hours, playing the game for long, or watching movies, AOC Low Blue, most settings ensures a more healthy viewing experience for you guys. Alright guys, so that's all about this monitor. If you guys have any questions, do drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply to all the inquiries we have about it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos as well. Take care of yourself. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.